In my whole school life, I felt I was a shy and underconfident person, and I never did any big adventure or any kind of things in my school days. And this is not just my story. Majority of the people never did any kind of big things in their school days because schools doesn't focus school don't focus on adventures or doing out of academics things. They always try to focus on academics, they always try to focus on our grade system or everything. I was a teacher also, so I can tell you about schools, like what's wrong with them and what kind of things if schools have, then our schools will be more would be more beneficial for every person, every student. So in this video I'm going to tell you everything about schools, like what is the thing that happening and what kind of things that we can our government and our schools can have, can add in their school system or like daily periods. But before, my name is Rahul. I'm here sharing my life experiences, and also I'm here to improve my English communication. If you are new here, watch this video till the end. If you find this video likable and valuable for you, then you can hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You can also watch other videos on my YouTube. So just go for that and go for it first. So now, what's wrong with the schools? Every schools, when we are in a school, we are in a cage where every teachers and every person are talking about grades and marks and all the things, like they always pushing us to study more hard, but not everybody doing it. Not every student is interested in studies. And even to be honest, maybe you will not agree, but I know so many schools is here there not a single sports period in their daily lifestyle, daily life of a school. So these kind of things is very required. And also this is not just about sports period. In our school times we are facing so many things, mental health related things. We feeling bad every time when our teacher saying something bad to us, or classmate saying some bad words to us. That time we start feeling bad, and that time even we don't know that how we can be more happy, how we can change over that feeling, because schools never teach us how the mind works, how this whole universe is working for us, how we can change our feelings, how our thought process works, how the social media is ruining our life, like what is the kind of scientific thing that happening in our mind when we are watching tons of content. And they never teach us how to manifest, how law of attraction works, how you can be more powerful manifester or believer. Because to be honest, I was a teacher and I know that even teachers don't know they are also facing troubles and bad circumstances in their life. And I know that bad circumstances and bad situation is the part of our life, but if we know that how the mind works, we are following spiritual things, we are doing meditation every day, that time we have the power to face and defeat our problems. But schools never they know no, they are not teaching us how to meditate properly. So this is very very important in every schools. And every time when we are in a school, that time we if after our schools, when we ask our teachers that everybody is doing this, everybody asking their teachers that sir, what can I do next, what kind of things for me. That time every teacher would tell you that you can be a doctor, you can be an engineer, you can be an IAS officer. They never ever they never ever tell you that you can be a YouTuber, you can be a video editor, you can be a businessman, you can be a astronaut or whatever things. So they are not focusing on, because even our teachers are also in a cage where their thought process is totally depend on, totally focused on education. On what kind of education? On academics, on study hard things. But to be honest, we all are facing, we all are a kind of shy and introvert person or a underconfident person in our school days, and we never ever changed our personality in our school. We changed our personality after our school. Even in my case, I changed my personality. I start in 2019, 2018, when I did again, I completed my school, and 2019 when I start reading self-help books, because that time I was I was exploring things. I was traveling. I was talking to new person, stranger person in my life. So that time I start learning that what is the core thing, what is the basis thing that we can do and become more powerful personality, more attractive personality. So that time I start reading self-help books. So if our schools have a particular period about spirituality, about their, we can learn how the mind works. And how the mind works, I can tell you, like every time we are watching something, we are viewing, and we are looking for something in our surroundings, we are feeding information in our brain, and every information will convert in our feelings, in our conscious mind, and in our subconscious mind, they convert, all the feelings will convert into emotions. And emotions is energy in motions, and that energy will goes to our all body, and after our body, that energy will go to this universe, and this universe will bring back to us the same energy that we are providing, we are suppressing to this whole universe. So in this way law of attraction works. In this way our life works. What you are giving, you will take the same thing. If you are going if you are giving wrong things, if you are giving bad things, you will get wrong things in your life. So every time I know, I felt that I feel that this is very crucial, this is very important to know, to teach our students that how the mind works, how this whole universe is working for us. Even I know that a lot of school toppers are also become so negative in their life, because they don't know that how the mind works, how our thought process working. So it is very important to having the idea about our body, about our mind, because that time we become more strong, because that time we know that this universe is with us. We can easily do any kind of work, no matter what, how big that is. So now I can tell you that what is the thing that every school have. Every school should be have self-help books. Self-help books is mandatory. Should self-help books should available in every school easily. This is very important. And after imagine, just suppose if every school says a life coach, that time we can easily, every student will easily connect with our their inner true self. They can easily go to their life coach teacher, as a teacher, and ask whatever the problem they are having in their life. They can easily ask. But this should be mandatory. This is very important thing, I felt, because life coaches, even in our life, we don't focus on life coaching. We don't focus on our inner self, our thoughts, what kind of thoughts we are thinking every day. We are just talking about it. We are just watching videos. But in reality, every time we are just focused on what's happening in our life, we are just thinking about the people in our life, we are just thinking about our relatives, we are just thinking about our career. Every time we don't think that that thought that we are thinking, is it negative or positive? We never focus about it. We just thinking mindlessly, because we didn't teach in our school life. And you can maybe disagree, you can maybe say that Rahul, schools is not everything. Yeah, I also agree that schools is not everything, but if you will say that parents are also important for our behavior or our personality, that time I will tell you guys that parents are also taught by their schools. Everybody go to school, and everybody are learning from schools. So schools is the thing, is the place where we can easily learn a new thing, if we have available, if we available the sources, if we provide the good sources, resources, and good self-help books, good knowledge about our body and our health, and about our career, that teachers are not focusing on. Build a business, making money, how we can be more healthy, how we can build a good relationship. These kind of context is very very important, very very crucial. So what's your point of view? Like, what you think about schools? What is the thing that a school should have? Tell me in the comment box. And if you are watching till now, it means a lot. And I'll meet you in the next video. If you have any kind of doubts, questions, and any kind of suggestions for me, then you can tell me in the comment box. And if you want to talk to me on a call, you can come on my Instagram. There we can easily talk on a call. Thank you so much. If you're watching till now, it means a lot. Thank you.